Let's look at identifying solutions of systems of equations given a graph. So as a reminder, there are three types of solutions that could happen whenever we have a system of equations given on a graph. Given the system of equations, one of three things is going to happen. Either it's going to intersect at one point, which means it has one solution. Where they intersect is the solution. They will never intersect, which means that the system has no solutions, or the lines will be exactly the same. Visually, that means they're going to be overlapping. Number of solutions, that would refer to infinite solutions. So let's look at those three different types of graphs below. The first one is one solution. So here you can see that there are two lines given on the graph where they cross at exactly one place. That intersection is the solution to this system of equations. In other words, as you can see the ordered pair here, if I were to substitute in 2 for x into both of these equations listed here, both of them would equal 2 for the y. Since that solution is true for both equations, that is the solution to the set. So when our graph crosses in exactly one place, the intersection, the ordered pair where they are crossing, is the solution. Next, we have no solutions. Looking at our graph, you'll see that we have a set of parallel lines. The fun thing about parallel lines is that they will never cross. Well, if the solution is where they are crossing, and parallel lines never cross, then that means that these will have no solution. Next, looking at our next graph, I have two different equations. However, once graphed, they are actually overlapping. There's only one line that we can see. That means that they are crossing at every single point. Well, if the solution is where they are crossing and they're crossing at every point, then that means that this set of equations would have infinite solutions. No matter what we plug in for x, these two equations will always have the same y value. So looking at our graph, we're trying to determine whether it has one solution, no solutions, and infinite solutions. Anytime you have one solution, you have to actually identify the ordered pair where the two lines are intersecting. That ordered pair is the solution to the system.